objective, I want to touch analysis. And what are we looking at? We're looking at the meaning. We're looking at the meaning. We're looking at the types. We'll look at some other things under analysis. Then we'll also go to I'm going to brush on time frames. I'm going to brush on time frames. I want to look at the meaning, also the meaning, the time frame, the meaning, the types, and then we'll also see application. Yeah. You see the application of time frames. So application is trying to show us how are they beneficial to our trading analysis. Types of trend analysis. Types of trends, yes. Nice. How to draw other blocks. Okay. Once I get to other blocks, we're going to look at the meaning. We're going to look at other blocks. We call it OB also. OB. Other block. Okay. So look at other blocks on different time frames. Trading hours. What are structures? Break of structures. Also called BO. Is it going downwards? Is it going in a sideways direction? Is it going to go further up? Is it going to go further down? So all those brainstorming, drawing of your trend lines, everything is called analysis. So what are the types of analysis? The types of analysis we have three major types of analysis in the Forex market. Okay. There are three major types. There are three major types of analysis in the Forex market. Okay. There are three major types of analysis in the Forex market, and these analyses are according to how the market is viewed. According to how the market is viewed is what brings about these three major types. And don't forget that analysis means when you are trying to visualize, when you're trying to have an idea of what is happening in the market. And not just what is happening presently, what is going to happen next. Because whatever you are viewing presently is for a reason. And what's the reason? To figure out what's going to happen next. Okay, so the first type is what we call the technical analysis. That's the first one. The second one is called the fundamental analysis. And the third one is called the sentimental analysis. So we have the technical, we have the fundamental, and we have the sentimental analysis. Now, these three types of analysis have their different views of the market. They have their different sections, they have the different areas of the market. The first one here has to do with you looking at the charts. That's its own view of the market. That's its own section. That's its own area of the market. It has to do with the charts. Everything we've been doing here is technical analysis. Looking at the movement of the chart. Is the chart coming down? Is it going up? Let's draw a trend line. Here and here. Let's draw a path. Let's draw another block. Is it breaking the structure? So everything that we are analyzing is on the chart. We're not going to the bank to talk to one of the bankers and ask them, what do you think is the price movement? Do you think it's going to go up? How was it yesterday? It's not a conversation, okay? It's a viewing. It's a viewing of what? The chart. The viewing of the chart. It has to do with the chart. So this first one has to do with the chart. Looking at the market chart. What is the direction? Is it upwards or downwards? Is it sideways? Okay, that is technical analysis. Okay, so the next one is fundamental analysis. Now this one has to do with, it has to do with the news. It has to do with the news. Don't forget, it is the economic news. The economic news, what is happening in the country, what is happening around the world that can affect the forex market, that can affect the economy of the currencies, that can affect the liquidity, that can affect the value of each currency. You can see that this second one has no business with the charts. This second one has to do with the news. As I said, every analysis, every type of analysis here has their own different sections, their own different areas where they contribute to the move of the market, to the analysis of the market. So the first one is the chart, second one is the news. The third one now has to do with discussions, getting ideas from other traders. So this has to do with people. Who are these people? Other traders.